Early on of our week, Jesus is teaching all of us one practical and valuable lesson when we face one another and everyday's duties, and that is to be patient. For this week, we will still continue to hear from the letter to the Hebrews with its focus and reflection about the high priest, the high priesthood of Jesus Christ. At isa po sa mga inilarawan sa atin ay yung kapasidad ni Jesus na maging pasensyoso sa mga nagkakamali o sa mga naliligaw ng landas. He is able to deal patiently with the ignorant and the erring. And we wish to stay and focus at that point since it was His way of dealing with people, like what we have heard from today's gospel. People came to Him and asked Him about the observance of fasting. Pero hindi naman sinagot ni Jesus ang mga tanong na ito na tila nanunumbat o nagsusungit. But He dealt with His disciples, with His people, with those around Him, with His enemies even, with ease and patience. Not to raise a heavy hand. Sabi nga natin, kamay na bakal, but to raise the capacity of His heart to understand and to be patient. Challenging as it may be, my dear brothers and sisters, to be patient is one challenging value in life. Mahirap maging pasensyoso sa mga lagi na lang nagkakamali, sa mga maliliit, sa mga sumusubok sa atin araw-araw, at sa mga kinakaharap o sinasamahan natin araw-araw. But let us not forget, Jesus dealt with the same people. He lived with stubborn apostles. He was with people that were not really wise, intellectual, or smart in their actuations and life. He lived with sinners, but He was so patient with them in life. His arrogance was not raised, but His patience lived well. We will be dealing with people in need. Baka araw-araw, humaharap o haharap tayo sa mga nagpapasakit ng ulo natin o minsan mahihirap kausap. As Jesus faced them with ease and patience, hopefully, we can do the same. To raise the standard of our patience and not of our arrogance. Maging pasensyoso at huwag magmayabang.